plant needs 5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to survive. The plant needs the sun, nice and bright. The leaves of the plant love sunlight. A plant needs air, just like you. It needs air to survive, that is true. A plant needs soil to grow very well. How tall it will grow, only time will tell. A plant needs water to live and grow. If you didn't know that, well now you know. Something else a plant needs is some space. It will grow well in a nice open place. A plant needs 5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to